Hello, y'all. Welcome to Binary Trades from Ombre. This is Bar Trades. Today, I'm just going to show you guys a really good strategy to profit using the OSMA or the MACD. You can use either one. And it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to share my screen now. All right, so you guys can see that I use Pocket Options for binary options platform. Pocket Options is one of the most reliable companies out there in the binary option space. They offer quick withdrawals, they offer quick deposits using crypto, using credit card, and yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. And for those of you that don't know what binary options is, binary options is a form of trading commodities, stocks, currencies, and indices in the short time frame, anywhere from 5 seconds to 4 hours, where you're basically guessing the direction of the market, whether it's going to go up or down, and you're placing a bet on that direction. So for this purpose of this video, I'm using my demo account here, and I'll be placing. So what I'm going to do here is I already have MACD and OSMA. I'm going to remove MACD just to make it a little bit more simpler. And what the strategy is when the OSMA line crosses from positive up zero to negative to below zero, like it is right now, I'm going to wait for a full bar to be created below the zero line. And then I'm going to take that direction in the sell direction because it's going from top to bottom. And the reason why this is profitable is because trend and same when it crosses from bottom to top. And as you can see, I've already locked in around $6,000 here, or is that $7,000? Actually, more than that. I've locked in one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $11,000. And it is winning right now. There is another 30 seconds remaining in this trade. So as you guys can see here, right where my cursor is, we can see that there's a huge green candle in the down direction after that small green candle in the down direction. 5 seconds, cash, cash. Now, what I'm going to do is really guys, very important commodity or index or currency is dropping in the same direction as the market. Because if it's going in the opposite, so I'm going to keep searching. I'm gonna keep. And then uh, here I see the currency is going up and down, so let's just make it settle a little bit. We don't want a green candle and a negative green candle at the same time. We want to see a red candle and a green candle below the zero line. Over here, I see a potential setup on USD CLP OTC. But again, I'm going to be very strict with the way that we lock in this trade because over here we see a recurring loop. We see it go up and then we see the trade go down. We see it go up and we see it go down again. So unless we go only down, the bar hasn't crossed the zero line. Therefore, it's still a little dangerous to take this trade. I'm just going to sit here and watch this to see if the Qatari Rial will go up against the Chinese yuan or it will go the opposite direction. So let's just sit and watch for a little bit. And as I see, it's not over here. I do see that it's increasing at a slow rate. I'm going to lock. I did see a red candle, but I do believe that this will switch to a green candle. With 30 seconds remaining, I do see it switch to a green candle. However, now the green candle is decreasing. Let's see if we can capture some profits. 6 seconds remaining. And we profited. There we go. Even $15,000 potentially in just 20 minutes. You have to remember this 3 steps. Open the OSMA, check that it's increasing from top to bottom or bottom to top across the zero line. Once that first candle is formed, enter immediately before the second candle forms and take it in the same direction, whether it's top to bottom, that would be a sell trade, or bottom to top, you take a buy trade. Wait for your profits to hit in the 1 minute time frame. But you have to be very strict with yourself to make sure that it's increasing if it's going from bottom to top and decreasing if it's going from top to bottom in terms of a green or red candle. And that's how we profit. Thank you guys. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And I hope you guys learned something today, guys.